Animators breathe life into characters and stories, making them move. They focus on fluidity, timing, and expression. Meanwhile, art directors shape the visual style. They decide colors, backgrounds, and overall aesthetics. The difference? Animators sculpt motion, while art directors govern design. This leads to a natural rivalry, each pushing for their vision. Animators aim for vibrant action, art directors strive for visual consistency. Imagine a scene where a character dances. The animator envisions wild, energetic moves. The art director imagines a serene background that contrasts all that energy. This clash can spark creativity or lead to heated debate. To maintain balance, both must collaborate. Open communication helps bridge their artistic gap. Regular meetings ensure each perspective is heard. This teamwork can lead to breathtaking results. For example, think of Spider-Man, Into the Spider-Verse. The outstanding visuals marry animation and direction beautifully. Animators created unique movements while art directors crafted a stunning world. Their collaboration redefined animation standards. In summary, the rivalry between animators and art directors drives innovation. It highlights the importance of distinct roles in animation. When they work together, the result is extraordinary. If you love these insights on creativity, subscribe for more. Let's explore the vibrant world of animation together.